Hello, dear friends. Welcome to e-class time. Most of you have been attending many classes online, collecting notes through your teachers, from your teachers through WhatsApp or YouTube. And now I take my chance to give you few of the notes of computer. Now, here in my videos I'll be providing you with the objective types answers. Okay, because the situation is such that just now, if at all there will be any examination conducted, okay, the objective types answers will be required more. Now, as for the descriptive types, only the explanation can help you better, and which is possible when we come together, of course, and the online videos, online Zoom classes, which I have been taking for class 6. That way also it is possible. But right now, just directly giving you the question answers in descriptive may not be helping you so much. Okay, uh, that is why just now I'll be giving you only the objective types, and I'm starting with chapter 2. Okay, your chapter 2, where our concept is network concept. Okay, and this is the channel e-class time. Okay, e-class time, and in this channel only I'll be uploading the answers. Okay, now when we speak of network concept, okay, this is the chapter. And here very beautifully one picture is being given. Okay, I had described you all in the class also how we are interlinked. Okay, one person is connected to the other person. The same person is again connected to the third person. Third is connected to the fourth is connected to the fifth. That way a net is being created. Okay, that way a net is being created. And there comes the concept of network concept. Okay, now, in the computer also, like ours, like human life, as we are connected. See, suppose a person is a prime minister. Okay, so forget about the prime minister. Okay, suppose a person is a farmer. Now, this person, he can cultivate only rice, or he can cultivate dal. Okay, now for edibles he is relying. Okay, but for cloth he has to rely on another person who is producing clothes. This person has to rely back on him for food, and this person is relying back to him for clothes. And this both will be relying on this person, because this man is giving us some vehicle or transportation system, so this man is relying on this. Okay, so that way when we are interdependent on each other, a net like chain is created. Okay, so that is the network. Yeah, a network concept comes. And in this chapter, very basically will be to the very precisely will be looking into bars topology, rain and star. These three ways will be showing how a computer is connected. In the first one, a computer is connected with a single wire, and in the single wire the whole thing is connected one by each. Okay, and the other one is, it is interlinked. Okay, it connects, then from there it goes ahead and it connects another one. Okay, and in the third one, star one, in the middle, the main server remains, and from that other systems are connected. So these are the main concept that this particular chapter describes. Now, without delaying much, we go to the answers. Okay, now exercise demands that in the beginning, exercise A, that we need to fill in the blanks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 are given there. Okay, and for all these blanks the answers are here. Okay, dear friend, if you go through the chapter, you will be finding the answers. Okay, yet this can be a help for you all to find it easier way. Okay, so you can cross check it and get it copied. Okay, now when we go to the next exercise gives us the question that choose the correct option. So many questions are given there, and we need to choose the correct one. Okay, choose the correct one. Okay, take the appropriate option from the following, and these are the these are the what call the questions with the options here. Okay, we have the options given. Okay, these are the options given, and from these options only we need to choose which is the correct one. Okay, and to find the correct one, let's see. Okay, so for the question number one, number four option is the correct one, all of these. Question number two, star. Three, firewall. Four, all of the above. And five, the data theft. Okay, so these are the answers for this B. Okay, now moving ahead, now we need to find the true and false of all these statements. Okay, whether these statements are true or false. Now the question describes that write T for true statement and F for false statements, and these are the five statements given for us. And for all these five statements, which are the true and the false statements, we need to find out. Here are the answers. Okay, so this is how if you are not able to write it down, you can pause the video and you can copy it down. Then in the next question, the demand is for matching the following. Okay, match the following, and we have three in either sides. Okay, in the beginning itself I was speaking about the topologies. Okay, star, ring and bus, and they have their own characteristics here. Now which characteristics is matching with which one? Okay, let's see. Okay, and this is where this they have the matching one. Okay, star has the match with C. Okay, star has the match with C, and ring has the match with A, and bass has the match with B. Okay, so this is all about the answers of chapter 2. Okay, dear friend, uh, I'm stopping it here, and I'll be continuing with the next chapter in the next video. Okay, so that's all. Do like, share, and subscribe for more updates.